Now we are going to look at count A function. Count A function helps to count number of cells or range that contains data. It can be a number, it can be a text, it can be a date or symbol or anything else. Even space it will include for the calculation, but it will not consider the blank cells for the calculation. Assume this is a sales report, and in this report few places I have value and few places I have holidays. So I want to know how many places I have data. Let's go to the function equal count A, then select the range, enter. So now you got 16. So let me check. So here you can see the total number of count is 16 because in this data I don't have any blanks. Let me delete any cell. So now 16 become 15. Let me delete another cell. 15 become 14. Also it won't consider only blank. Apart from that, it will consider anything like let me put comma. Okay, let me try space. So I'll delete the values and I'll enter space. See, after adding space, it's including for the calculation. And also I will update date. This is the date. So date also it will take it for the calculation. It won't take only the blank cell. Rest all it will consider. So now in this case, so I have data in 14 cells. Let's move to the next session.